Capability in one smart package. The 2026 KiaAdventureCamper is built to redefine the modern camper experience by combining Kia's reliable engineering with a lifestyle-focused design. From the outside, it carries a bold and adventurous stance, featuring a boxy yet aerodynamic shape that improves stability on highways while still looking tough enough for off-road trails. The elevated ground clearance, protective cladding, and strong roof structure make it ideal for camping gear, rooftop accessories, and long-distance travel. Kia has focused on practicality, ensuring that the camper feels just as suitable for city driving as it does for remote adventures. Under the hood, the 2026 KiaAdventureCamper is expected to offer multiple powertrain options to suit different markets and driving needs. Buyers can expect an efficient turbocharged petrol engine for smooth highway cruising, along with a diesel option for those who prioritize torque and fuel economy on long journeys. There is also strong anticipation around a hybrid or plug-in hybrid variant, offering better efficiency and reduced emissions without sacrificing performance. Paired with a refined automatic transmission, the camper delivers a balanced driving experience that feels confident whether you are climbing hills or cruising on open roads. Inside, the cabin of the KiaAdventureCamper is where innovation truly shines. The interior is designed to transform effortlessly from a driving space into a comfortable living area. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and smart storage solutions create a welcoming environment for both short trips and extended stays. The foldable seating system allows the cabin to convert into a sleeping area, while a compact kitchenette setup includes a portable cooking surface, storage compartments, and space for a mini refrigerator. Kia has clearly focused on maximizing space without making the interior feel cramped. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 KiaAdventureCamper. A large infotainment display with smartphone connectivity, navigation, and voice control keeps drivers connected on the road. Digital instrument clusters provide clear driving information, while multiple USB ports and power outlets ensure that devices stay charged throughout the journey. Advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking enhance safety and confidence, especially during long-distance travel. Comfort has not been overlooked, as the camper features enhanced suspension tuning to handle varying terrains while maintaining a smooth ride. Climate control systems are designed to work efficiently even during overnight camping, and sound insulation helps keep the interior quiet and relaxing. Practical touches like ambient lighting, integrated window shades, and durable flooring add to the overall usability of the camper. The 2026 KiaAdventureCamper stands out as a smart choice for those who want adventure without sacrificing everyday comfort. It blends the reliability of a trusted automotive brand with the freedom of a camper lifestyle, making it ideal for families, solo travelers, and weekend explorers alike. Whether you are planning a cross-country road trip or a quick escape into nature, this camper is designed to adapt to your journey. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want more future vehicles, camper vans, SUVs, and trending automotive content, make sure to subscribe to ViralVerse and stay connected for more exciting videos coming your way.